Hello viewers, welcome to GV Explorer. Today we are coming up with another interesting video, that is Rajma recipe. This is a lightly spiced and a delicious Punjabi curry made with rajma, onions, tomatoes and spices. While making rajma recipe, the rajma beans have to be cooked very well. It should melt in your mouth when you bite into them. This is very important and the most overlooked aspect of cooking rajma. At first, we have to soak the rajma beans overnight or for about 8 to 9 hours and then cook them really well. Also, buy rajma beans which are new and not old. The older will take a lot of time to cook and we don't get the perfect texture in the rajma. Now take a pressure cooker, add little amount of water, add 1 cup of soaked rajma into it, add 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon, 4 pieces of cardamom, 1 tablespoon of oil, salt as per the taste, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well and close the lid and cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the ghee melted, add 1 tablespoon of jeera, 2 green chilies finely chopped. Mix it well and fry this for about a minute. Now add 2 large onions finely chopped. Mix it well and fry this till the onions turns into golden brown. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry it again for about a minute. Add 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder. Add salt as per the taste. 1 tablespoon of dhania powder. 1 tablespoon of jeera powder. 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Mix it well till all the masala gets immersed into it. Now add little amount of water and mix it again slowly. Now add a little pinch of turmeric powder. Mix it well. Now add tomato puree which is boiled and grinded into a smooth fine paste and mix it well and cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Keep on stir in the middle from low to medium flame. Now we could see here water gets dissolved. Mix it well. Now this is the right time to add the boiled rajma along with stock. Now stir the whole rajma curry mixture on a low to medium flame. Simmer without a lid for 10 to 12 minutes or more till the rajma masala thickens slightly. Make sure that the rajma curry should not be watery. Now squeeze half lemon and mix it again gently and continue to simmer till you get a medium consistency in the curry, and do stir at intervals when the rajma masala is simmering. Now add 1 tablespoon crushed kasuri methi. Stir very well and simmer this for about a minute. Now our healthy and tasty Punjabi Rajma masala is ready. Serve Rajma masala with steamed basmati rice, jeera rice, rotis or chapatis. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more upcoming videos.